Hello everyone, Anmol this side. Welcome to my channel. If you are new in my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. So today I will just demonstrate the class 4th computer chapter is 1, memory and storage. So memory and storage, just I'm just going to little bit explain what is this and how we can grab those information. Okay, so in the memory and storage, there are a couple of highlights, like how the student will able to learn the outcome for that. So know about the different type of internal and external memory we will cover. And also apart from this, also we'll cover the state and different memory of units. Okay, and list the primary and secondary data storage devices. So let's start. So before the starting this chapter, just about we can see the computer is a wonderful invention of humans, you know. So and uh, computer is the most important for the human life as well. It has many advantages, and such as the fast working speed, high storage speed, and so on. A computer store all the data and instruction in the storage space, which is known as a computer memory. So computer memory is only the storage for your data and instructions. Okay, so let's jump in the computer memory more detail. So a computer also use both short and long term memory to store the data or information. And the stored data can be retrieved from the computer's memory whenever you need. Okay, so a computer can understand only two state: on represent the one and off represent zero. These digit 0 and 1 are called binary digit or bit. A set of 8 bit is called a byte, as you can see in the chart as well. And a byte is unit of measurement of the computer memory. So the computer memory is the two type of internal and external, you can see in the this flow diagram. So memory divided into two part. First one is internal memory and another is a external memory. So internal memory have a two type. One is a RAM and another is a ROM. Apart from this, also the external memory is a hard disk, CD or DVD or flash disk. So here you can see the type of computer memories. So let's turn in the next page. Okay, so here you can see the internal memory. Basically the every computer comes with a certain amount of internal memory, usually referred to as a main memory. It is a memory that is a form of silicon chip and fixed of the electronic circuit board called motherboard. So it is also called primary memory. It is a two type of memory, RAM and ROM. So what do you mean by RAM and ROM? So RAM stand for random access memory, which is RAM. Okay, and you can see the image. RAM have the one chip where the all the data instruction we can store in the RAM, which is the random access memory. Store the information temporarily and work like a blackboard that is constantly overwritten with the new data. Okay, we can overwrite the information stored in the RAM is lost when you turn on the computer power off. That is why it is known as a volatile memory. So RAM um, data, it's a volatile memory, so they can lost. Apart from this, also the ROM is a read-only memory. Hold the startup instruction, tell the computer what to do when it is turned on. This information is stored permanently, and it's during the manufacturing process. Unlike RAM, ROM is non-volatile memory. It means that even after you turn off your computer, the content is stored in a ROM will not be lost. Okay, so this type of memory we can persist the data in the ROM, which is non-volatile. If it turn on the computer and want to retrieve, then you can retrieve from those. Okay, apart from this, the external memory we can talk about more. So this memory is used to store the information for a longer period. It is a need for because the internal memory of the computer is insufficient to store the large amount of data. Okay, it's a because the it's a manufacturer they are provided, so it's a limited space, and they can store the limited length of the storage. So in the extension, we can use the external memory, which is called the secondary memory also. Okay, it consists the storage device such as a hard disk, compact disk, DVD, and pen drive. Okay, so such type of devices we can purchase from market. Okay, and we can store the data, and also we can carry those data and transfer data one computer to another computer as well. So what of the hard disk? So it's a part of the hard disk. It means main the secondary storage device computer is a fixed inside the CPU cabinet, contain all the software and data. Hard disk is the main made up the multiple disk like platter. Data is stored on the both side of the disk. Hard disk come in the various capacity. Okay, so different range of data as per your requirement we can use, like 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 GB, 1 TB terabyte, and 5 TB, 5 terabyte, and so on. So okay, let's move back and see the what the digit and how we can calculate the, like 8 bit have the 1 byte. Okay, and 102 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte, and 102 KB is equal to 1 megabyte is one called 1 MB, and 102 MB is called 1 gigabyte, which is called 1 GB, and 1024 GB is 1 terabyte, 1 TB, and 1024 TB it called 1 petabyte, 1 PB. And apart from this also, 1024 PB is equal to 1 extra exact byte, 1 EB. Okay, and 1024 EB is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1 GB. Okay, and 102 GB is equal to 1 yottabyte, 1 YB. So for today, that's all from my end, and if you have some query and questions, and if you want this content in the Hindi version, then please subscribe and comment, so we'll provide it. Thank you so much for joining us. Take care and bye bye, and we will meet in the next session. Thank you.